The number one question I always get asked is, how is the housing market? You know, learning about the market is great, but the most important question to be answered is, how do you fit in the market? I'm going to share 10 tips to help get you ready to finance, borrow, ask someone for money to purchase your home. Of course, if you are doing it with the good old green cash, you know, cash speaks for itself. You've heard the term cash is king or cash is queen in this century. But you and your agent say that you happen upon a home you want to call your own. There is going to be at least 1, 2, 5 other people that are interested in that home, and the one that wins the golden house is the one with the best offer. So we are going to make you look as good as we can on paper. We have plenty of time. Set your goal, path, and your plan. You will get there sooner and with the least amount of battle scars, hopefully. Use this information wisely and we will make it happen. So, whether you are looking to buy your home now, 6 months, a year from now, I'm going to share information with you that is going to help you and your home ownership journey flow a little smoother. Go ahead and sit back, relax, and let's take some notes. One question though, what does your dream house look like? Well, I'm going to say that the best home for you will be the one that is not going to leave you eating noodles and air sandwiches for 27 days out of the month. Don't get into a home that you cannot afford, one that you do not feel comfortable paying the mortgage on. These 10 things are the major factors necessary to get you ready. They're in no particular order, but let's go. Number 1, credit score. Is your credit score happy, thinking, or sad? The lowest credit score is 300. The highest is 850. Where does your credit score live in Creditville? Just know that the closer to 850 you get, the better your buying power is when it comes to borrowing someone else's money. Good credit, great credit. Where do you sit on the scale of credit? Pay your debt on time. Don't max out your credit cards. Yes, I know that sounds easy enough. But keep in mind, credit cards, keep your balance to 30% of what your buying power is. Scenario, $1,000 is your spending limit. Let's keep your balance down to $300 and make your payments on time. We don't want to pay the card off. Use the card. Play the game. You need credit. Number 2, 2 years of stable work history has been the industry standard for a while. 3, are you self-employed? Cash App, Square, Cash, PayPal payments. Put all of your money into one account before you spend it. If you live the entrepreneurial life like moi, make sure you consult your accountant to assist in setting up the flow of your funds. Debt to income ratio. Does the money you have coming in your household cover your expenses? Can you save? If the numbers are too high, you're not going to be able to secure a traditional loan. 5, savings and budgeting. Are you consistently saving for the costs that are involved in purchasing your home? Often, saving means you must cut back on spending. Do you know what you spend? You need to know this. Create a budget and stick to it. Having 6% saved for the cost of purchasing your home would be phenomenal. And as an agent, we should be negotiating for the seller to pay some of your closing costs, so whatever you do not spend can go into savings. Save it. And tip, no mattress money. Don't give me that look. Save your money in the bank. You'd be surprised how many stories we hear to explain where this magic money came from. I mean, I got this change bank in my room, and I went to the grocery store and I put the change in the machine, and here's $5,000. No, the lender's not falling for it, neither am I. Seasoned and source funds. So if you know June is when you want to buy your home and you have some money you need to put in the account, 60 to 90 days before, there you go. 6, yes, you can receive gifts. Some employers give gifts. Some family members give gifts. Just know that you are going to have to supply documentation showing where the money came from. 7, how much is my down payment going to be? 3.5% if you're doing FHA. Tip number 8. This next step is ultimately the very, very, very most important part of the home buying process. Who's going to be your agent? If you're in Metro Atlanta, it would be my pleasure. If you're outside of Atlanta, I am still a resource. I know several agents in many different places all over the country, so just connect with me and I will find the agent for you. Now, you do need a mortgage professional, don't you? You must do a little research there, but most real estate agents usually have a lender partner that they work with, or 2 or 3. And I'm sure they can connect you with them. Here is the final tip. 10. Don't leave any money on the table. There are programs in your state, your city, your county, your township, your neighborhood that could possibly assist you in down payment assistance. If you're employed in the public service sector, a nurse, a doctor, a police officer, a firefighter, a teacher, and I can't forget my veterans. Thank you so much for serving our country. There are other funding that can be available to you. Not all lenders are created equal and will not have access to all the funding for assistance that you may need to help pay your down payment. So do your research. The World Wide Web is a great resource. That is how you found me, right? If you are looking to buy or sell a home, you could be selling your home to buy a new home and it's been a while. This could be your first home. Thank you so much for checking out my video, and I am going to send you a home buyer's guide. So connect with me below. Let's be social. I am a Home Just For Me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I have a Facebook group, The Power in Real Estate. If you like my video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, share it. I am Makeba Evans, your reliable realtor resource. I will be here every Thursday with a new video.